Tasnia ya wanasheria, mafali 117 wanapokea vyeti vyao vya shahada, 73 wakipokea vyeti vya stashahada ya sheria. Moja kwa moja tuvuke tupate picha hizo na ni kipi ambacho labda wanazungumzia.
And I can see many teachers coming from here. One other thing that has stood out for me today, I saw the young lady speaking here today. That is a lawyer that is ready for courtroom action. You could hear the voices, and I was very proud because I said that one is ready for action in court. Next time we are going to the Supreme Court to defend the next presidential election petition. I hope to see you there. Yeah? Because you are what it takes. To prepare young, confident graduates to go into the market and speak confidently. I tell people in my class, 50% of this job is self-confidence. The ability to articulate your position, however misconstrued, confidently. Sometimes you convince these judges like John. You can convince him, not because you are right, but because he can see that you are confident in your abilities. I want to encourage each one of you to speak for themselves. I recently was interviewing advocates from my office. One lady stood out for me. She did not have the best qualifications. She did not have the experience. In fact, she was struggling to get a place. But she stood her ground when I was interviewing her. Most of the other people mellow very quickly and they say, yeah, you are right, I agree. I just want a job. She stood her ground, 30 minutes, and I can be very stubborn. And I told her, come on Monday. Because I know that we have people out here who are willing and able to demonstrate their abilities. Be that person out there. Secondly, I want to say something about career and progression. If you asked me 15 years ago whether out of the 20,000 lawyers in Kenya, I would be the one the president would be saying, go and represent us. If you asked me 15 years ago whether I would be the president of the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, I would tell you you are joking. It is because I had not learned two things. That there was time and there was experience. You have both of them with you. You have time to learn and put experience. Every single case you do, every writing you do is taking you closer to that dream. If you want to be an ambassador, you will get there. Keep walking straight forward. Now, when you walk and you walk towards a destination, if you keep looking back to see who is dropping off and who is saying what, you will not move. Walk facing the forward. And I like one thing that Judge Chigiti has said, and it's very true. As you progress, less and less people will be within your circles.
Na mtazamaji, ni picha za moja kwa moja kutoka katika eneo la Parklands hapa jijini Nairobi ambapo hafla hiyo inaendelea.